So if you click on the link in the description, you'll get a link to use this bot. I'll leave it in the comments and in the description. And once you start it, this is what you look like. This is your main interface. So the first thing you want to do once you start using the bot is go into settings and select your fees. So I trade with 0.0025 for my sell and buy fee, and then for my tip that should also actually be 0.0025. So I trade 0.0025 for both fees and tips. Now I know if you're trading a lot of SOL and you want to fill faster, these should preferably be, the tip anyway should be at 0.01, but the fees can stay at 0.0025. So leave the fees like this, but the tip can increase or decrease depending on how much SOL you're using and how fast you want to enter the transactions. I'm scalping and I'm not trading with big amounts at the moment, so I don't really care if I fill a little bit later than others. But if you care about speed and you want to enter as fast as possible, then you want to put the buy tip and sell tip to 0.01. It also has the current recommended tip here, which displays what the current tip is based on how congested the Solana market is. And if you ever need help, there's always a little help button on nearly every page where you can click here and it'll bring you to the help screen. Another cool feature they have is called the auto tip setting. So basically, if you enable this, you will not need to set your tip level. Nova will automatically calculate the recommended MEV tip based on how congested the market is. Now, you might be spending more, you might be spending less depending on the market. That's why I don't like using auto tip, but if you want to just set it and forget it, then this is a good option for you. So once we set the fees, we want to set the slippage. My slippage is 23% for buy and 35% for sell, mainly because I don't want my buy slippage being too high because I might get filled at a shit position. So I have it at 23%. That's a comfortable number I'm with. So I have it between 20 and 25. So I have the middle ground of 23%. For my sell slippage, I have it 35% because when I'm selling, I don't really care as long as I get out. Now, obviously, if I had less sell slippage, I'll get a better fill and I'd make more profit. But sometimes when the market is so volatile, you want to have a big slippage so you can just get out of it before it gets dumped on your ass.